Hello Professor, this is group 9. The group members are Abhinab Mohanty, Manjusha Ravindranath, Chirag Bumb and Koushik Kotamraju. So I'm going to give you a brief code walkthrough for our app. So it starts with the enter screen page. So here we basically take the name, ID, age and the gender of the person, of the patient, and then we have added a few checks for so that all the values are entered, and upon click of the enter button we basically pass an intent to our main activity. So in the main activity we have basically taken the sensor data from the accelerometer, for which we have used accelerometer sensor and sensor manager and we have taken a normal delay of accelerometer sensor sensitivity, and then we basically plot the data points on our graph as a part of assignment 1. And after this graphs are plotted, and we also basically store the timestamp while the graphs are being plotted, and once they are done, so the store button, so upon the store button click, we basically call the store async task, and inside of the store async task we are basically displaying a dialog which says storing in the SD card, and then call the create and insert table function of the SensorDB database helper. So database helper is a SQLite open database helper. So here basically in the create and insert table function, we basically create the table with the table name and provide it, and we insert the data, and after the successful insertion of data we basically do an upload. So for upload we have called the upload async task on click of the upload button. So inside of the upload async task basically what we do is call the server using a multi-part body array post request and post the file, and upon success it shows that the file has been uploaded successfully, and upon failure it shows a error message. Upon after completion of the upload task, we basically do the download task, in which we call the download async task, which basically shows the dialog showing that file is being downloaded. And for download we have basically used the HTTP URL connection request. So if the file is found, then we basically show that the file has been found, and we download the file in the given download path CSE-535 assignment down, or else we catch the exception. And upon the completion of the file download, we basically take the last 10 data points and plot it in our graph, and yeah, that's all for the code walkthrough. Thank you.